Hello everyone, my name is Han Shengxiang and this is the question 9 of homework 8 in the probability and stochastic process course. And in this question, we want to know if x1, x2 and blah blah is a Markov chain, and then it is statistically determined by its second order probability masses, and in these masses the probability of the second xi is equals to xi and xg is equal to xj for any ij from 1 to n. And at first we want to know the Markov process. The Markov process is that the past has no influence on the statistically of the future. Let's start with it. And for any n and tn, there is statistically of 8 the tn, and if the t2 is the null state and the t1 is the future state, we could have the probability of xt1 smaller or equals to x1 when in the condition of the behind state, the xt2 is equals to x2, xt3 equals to x3, and blah 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 blah, the xtn is equals to xn. And this is equals because of the Markov process property. It is equals to the probability of xt1 smaller or equals to x1 when the condition of xt2 equals to x2. And so in these questions we want to prove that the Markov chain is statistically determined by its second order probability masses, and we could find the probability like in this line. It is a chain of 1 2 blah 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 n, the n number of the statistic, and the probability of the x1 is equals to x1 and big x2 is equals to x2 and x3 is equals to x3 and xn is equals to xn. For this probability, we could use the property of Markov process is equals to it's for the function of the conditional function is equals to xn is equals to xn in the condition of the behind condition, xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1, xn minus 2 equals to xn minus 2, blah blah to x1 minus x1, and 2 times the probability of this part x1 equals to x1, and it is a function of the conditional of all probability function, and is equal. We could write it for a next step, and for n step we could get the probability of xn equals to xn when the condition of xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1, and times the probability of xn minus 1 equals to x minus n minus 1 in the condition of xn minus 2 is equals to xn minus 2, and times blah 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 times the x1 equals to x2 equals to x2 in the condition of x1 equals to x1 and times the probability of x1 equals to x1, and we could get when the probability of xi is equals to small xi is equals to the sigma k from the minus infinite to the infinite of probability of xi is equals to xi and xg is equals to k. It is equals to the above function, and so the probability of xi equals to xi when in the condition of xi minus 1 is equals to xi minus 1. We could use the conditional function of probability of xi equals to xi xj I minus 1 equals to xi minus 1 in the condition of probability of xi minus 1 equals to xi minus 1. So we could use the ij to make the Markov chain to the second order function. So that's all. Thank you.